So this is the Foxeer Legend 2 that I purchased a couple of days ago, and it arrived, and packaging seemed fine, and it looked like it was good. When it arrived, I did plug in the USB port, and this light did turn on, and I left it plugged in until that light went out, which, according to the directions, means that it should be fully charged. I then tried to turn it on, and that's when I started running into problems. From the instructions and videos I've seen online is you press the power button and you hold it, and then all the lights come on right away, and then the lights go out, then it beeps at you, and then it actually goes into power on mode. And the problem that I have is when I hold down the power button, the lights come on, they go out as expected, but the camera actually never turns on. I'm still holding the power button, and nothing's happening. I did get it to turn on once, and when it did, I connected to the Wi-Fi, and while I was trying to adjust settings through the Wi-Fi app on the phone, it then froze on me. The Wi-Fi for some reason turned off, so my phone could not connect to it during Wi-Fi. I tried to turn the camera off and then back on again, and now I'm running into the same issue to where it just won't turn on at all. So I'm guessing at this point, since it did turn on once but not turning on anymore, that there's actually something wrong with the camera, and I'm assuming that it's defective. So let me know what the next step is to go from here. Thanks a lot.